Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today what we're gonna be doing is meal prepping. I made a list, we need to get it done. Today's outfit, by the way, is brought to you by UCF, making it into the Big 12, which is exciting, and if you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. I wish I was tailgating right now, but instead we're gonna be cooking. And I just did a little wine haul, so you know, we can emulate the tailgating vibes. I'll grab a glass of wine and we'll just jam out. On the list today is teriyaki chicken meal prep, delish, taco bowls, also delish, and then I wanna make a healthy dessert. If I get a sweet tooth, I just wanna have something on hand that I can just have a little nibble on, and I know it's on the healthier side. So I have two options. We will pick one. I have almond flour cookies, or like a keto brownie thing from Duncan Hines that I saw in Publix, and I was like, we should try it. I already prepped my chicken yesterday. I cut it up because I hate that. I hate doing it. So I got it over with. Let's just start with the teriyaki chicken. You know what, let's just start, I think, chopping all of our ingredients that we're gonna need for the entire time, and then we'll get into assembly. Alright, I'm gonna make my teriyaki sauce just in here. So I'm gonna add the first round of chicken I made. The heat is off, so now I'm just going to add some coconut aminos, some soy sauce, maybe a teeny bit of water just to thin it out. And I have this chicken base in case I need it for some extra depth, and I have my other seasonings over there and some honey. So that's how we're gonna make our teriyaki sauce today. Okay, so I have all of my ingredients done. I bought this bag of white rice from Whole Foods. I thought I had brown rice, but I can't find it. So we're just gonna make do with this frozen white rice. Now I'm making 4 meal preps out of this, and there's 4 servings, 4 cups in here. So I'm just going to evenly distribute this amongst my 4 containers. Then I'm gonna add in my chicken and my broccoli, and then my green onions and my sesame seeds. Okay, so instead of making the individual taco bowls like I was going to do, I think I'm gonna just prep some meat for tacos in general, and then for dinners we can just make it as we go. Like, we can cook all this chicken a different night with the veggies that I already prepped. So I'm just gonna take my fajita seasoning mix and pour it into the bag along with some other seasonings. and then I can mix it all around. And this can like marinate in the seasonings and it'll taste really good. So before I mix that up, I'm gonna put the rest of my ingredients in little baggies. This is an entire bell pepper that I cut up a little bit ago. I have some green onions right here. And then lastly, I have 2 diced up jalapenos. And I'll just keep these together in the fridge. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make the cookie mix now. These are almond flour cookies from Trader Joe's. They're really good. I've had them before and they're so simple to make. So I'm just gonna cut open my baking mix. And now in this little container, I'm gonna combine my butter, my vanilla, and my milk. Now I'm gonna incorporate everything together. Alright, so I'm just gonna grease my little sheet with avocado oil. And then this says that it makes 12 servings. So I'm gonna try to get 12 cookies out of this and space them out just a tiny bit. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. I had so much fun. I know I didn't do a ton of dishes, but I'm only one person, so I don't need to be meal prepping a ton of food. But yes, we made a lunch, a dinner, and a dessert, and they all looked amazing. I can't wait to eat them this week. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and click the little notification bell if you want to, so you can be notified. Okay, so as I was filming that outro, my video ran out of memory, or my camera ran out of memory. So I'm just gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed the meals that I made. I'm going to be doing more videos like this in the future, I think, with even more meal prepping. This was just to get like my feet wet in this and this new apartment. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.